Hey guys, Kedsy here again for another video for baseball card pack break. It's another product from Fairfield. It's a 100 card Walgreens pack. This one should have include memorabilia cards. So check this out, okay? Yeah, last time I had opened this box, I actually got a jersey, and I'm going to post it online, but I was having trouble. Anyway, okay, let us see. Okay, alright, got Matt Harrison, Fred McGriff, Jeff Musselman, we got Kenny Rogers, Kevin Appier, Sox, Darren Dalton, Kirk Dressen, Dwarf, promo card, Mike Schooler, Spike Owen, Jack McDowell. Oh, it's his rookie card. Alright. Ken Petrie, Scott Sanderson, Mookie Wilson, Sandy Alomar, Aaron Boone, Casey Candale, got David Risk, Dwayne Ward, Tony Phillips, Darryl Strawberry and Eric Davis, Mike Doon, Kelly Gruber, Bill Wegman. Got a wax socks of Race Sirage, Mike Lavalier, Bob Shirley, sorry guys, Harold Baines, Lou Whitaker, Felix Fermin, Indian Skip Atherton, Frank Viola, Herm Willingham, Jim Pankovitz, A&G, Mark Tahan, Jen Burkett, Heritage, Mike Minor, Carl Crawford, Cardinal Ken Daly, Mike Campbell, Jerry Dunn Gleaton, Paul Kilgus, Scott Bales, Luis Riviera, Roberto Alomar, Terry McGriff, Jim Gatt, Andres Galiaga, Record Breaker, Big Mac. So it's McReynolds. And career highlights: the cold shot, the doubters, 1948. Babe Ruth, reprint. It's another stack. Alright. Mike Piazza. Wilson Betterment. It's like a promo. Minor leagues. Taylor Flowers. Brian Holman. Scott Aldred. Spike Owens. Nipi Perez. Ted Burns. Brett Barbieri. Steve Wapnick. Mike Laga. Brad Havens. Jack Clark. Good. Dwight Lowry. Ray Fontina. Ken Gerhardt. Jim Snyder. Ron Robinson. Tony Pena. Dwayne Ward. Mike Maddox. Brad Pennington. Felix Fermin. Ricky Bones. Ernie Camacho. Get a Jim Abbott. Lance Dixon. Dave Schmidt. Dion James. Bill Doran. Brad Komensk. BJ Sherhoff. Mark Lemke. Ken Kamenini. Willie Banks. Nice. Vincent Padilla. Got a Ed's Prague. Ivan Rodriguez. David Bell. Ted Burns. Terry Bross. Scott Garrelts. Mark Williamson. Donovan Osborne. Barry Larkin. Frank Willis. Jim Wynn. Ed Lynch. Jen Felsk. Ricky Honeycutt, and Nick Swisher. So that's it for the 100 baseball repack. Comment or subscribe. If you need any of those cards, let me know. It's for trade, for sale. Thanks for watching.